Hello everybody, it's Mermaid Evmyira, and today I wanted to do a little mermaid DIY craft. I had this idea when I was having a really hard time finding an agenda planner I liked for this year. I'm very picky when it comes to the agenda planners that I pick. I really like the ones that are very artsy and come with all the stickers, but unfortunately it just wasn't in the cards this year. So I decided, well, I might as well try to find some kind of ocean themed planner and then go find all the stickers that I like on Etsy. And this is what I ended up finding. I found these beautiful artsy mermaid stickers, some gold foil stickers, and I got this custom bookmark made on Etsy. It's a gold mermaid tail with my mermaid name on it, which is really, really fun. And this is just a little video showing me customizing the agenda planner. With Mermaid coming up, I wanted to make sure I put the little mermaid that's blowing the horn. And I did go back to the February calendar page just to make a little template example of what the goal is for this, using the little gold foil stickers for events or appointments just so they grab my attention because they're gold and they're shiny. I mean, I am a gold mermaid and I do love gold, but having those like bright shiny stickers to kind of catch the eye as a reminder that you have something big coming up. I've also tried using some of the artsier stickers for big events. I really enjoy getting to put like the octopus and the seahorse just on random months of the year because it just adds a little extra magic to each page and it does add some variety. I also went ahead and added the little gold foil stickers to the holidays. And with Christmas, I got a little creative. I ended up taking a coral and starfish sticker and putting them together to make a little mermaidy Christmas tree. And this agenda planner did come with a bookmark that you could tear out in the back. But since I went out of my way to make sure I had a very fancy mermaid tail bookmark, that means that I do not need to use it. And I really feel like having a mermaid tail bookmark stick out of the agenda planner really just adds to the magic. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're interested in any of the items that I purchased for this video, I will link them all in the description below. But thank you guys, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.